Let's prepare 7.5 liters of dishwashing liquid. Measure out 100 grams SLS. In another bowl, measure 500 milliliters of water. Add the SLS into the water, stir and set aside. It will dissolve completely. Measure out 75 grams nitrosol. Measure 5 liters of water. I had to turn the remaining liter of water to a bigger bowl. Add the nitrosol into the water, stir to avoid lumps and set aside. 125 grams steep sodium tripolyphosphate. 250 milliliters water. Add the steep into the water and stir till it goes from white to transparent. Turn batch 3 into batch 2 and stir for 5 minutes. 250 milliliters of water. Measure out 100 grams soda ash. Add the soda ash into your water and stir for 5 minutes. Turn batch 5 into batch 4 and stir for 3 minutes. 250 milliliters water. 125 grams sodium sulphate. Add into your water and stir. Add batch 7 into batch 6 and stir for 3 minutes. Add batch 1 into batch 8 and stir for 3 minutes. 250 milliliters water. 6.3 grams caustic soda. Add into the water. Add batch 10 into batch 9 and mix for 5 minutes. Measure out 120 grams texapon. Add into batch 11 and stir. Add 4.2 grams color of your choice and stir. Add 15 milliliters fragrance oil and stir. Stir well and leave for 24 hours to settle. Voila!